Let's focus on time, speed, and distance. Two cars of length 1.6 meter and 1.8 meter travel in opposite direction. Right. So time taken distance by speed. Distance is 1.6 and 1.8 meters. Okay. When two cars are crossing each other, the lengths of the cars is the what matters. So because we'll consider while crossing both are at this, there is no distance between car one and car two. Front of the car here, this is the front of the car. Okay, there is no distance between them. So this crossing length, the length of the cars is what considered. But speed is in centimeters. So here I'll distance is into 100 meters converted into centimeters. Now this is 85 centimeter per second. As opposite direction we can add, right? So 3.4, it's nothing but into 100 340 divided by 85, right? So if you go with 4 times, we got 345. So let's see about next one. A train should travel 500 kilometers to reach its destination. In 2 hours, the train has covered 3 by 7th of the remaining distance. What is the time taken by the train to reach the destination? This is an excellent question. In in 2 hours, the train has covered 3 by 7th of the remaining distance means, see, what we can take, this 500 kilometers should be divided as 3 is to 7. 3 plus 7, 10. I want 50 means 3 into 50, 150. 7 into 50, 350. So 150 kilometers is covered. 350 yet to cover. 150 kilometers you covered in 2 hours. 150, 350 we can consider. A train should travel 500 kilometers to reach its destination. In 2 hours, the train has covered 3 by 7th of the remaining distance. You check it out. 3 by 7th of 350 is equal to 150 only. This is a bit tricky type of question. Okay, it's very simple way is 3 by 7, you can divide the distance as 3 and 7. 3 is to 7 way. Right, so what is the time taken by the train to reach the destination? Okay, see, this is indirectly speed is 75 kilometer per hour because 150 in 2 hours means 75 kilometer per hour. Now to cover this distance, 350 kilometers with 75 speed, 515 times or maybe 25, 25 3 times, 25 14 times. 14 divided by 3 hours, which is 4 2 by third of hour. Already 2 hours, this 4 hours, 6 hours. That's why 6 hours is common. Extra is 2 by third of the hour. 2 by third of the hour is nothing but equal to 40 minutes. 2 by third of the hour is nothing but equal to 40 minutes. Okay, 4 2 by 3 hours, 4 hours and 2 by third of the hour. Right, so say this. Next one, a train should cover 400 kilometers in 3 hours. It travels a speed of 90 kilometer per hour for the first 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, so after it stopped for 20 minutes due to an engine problem, the train increased its speed by X times. Similar question already discussed, but this is how they'll change. Not same question, similar question. It's actually 1.8 times is the answer for that. But here they changed the questions. Like that's what. Okay, 400 kilometers you need to travel in 3 hours fine. But initially, okay, 90 kilometer per hour you travel for 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes can be written as 20 divided by 60, 1 by 3, which is 4 by third of the hour. So 90 kilometer per hour, 4 by third of the hour indicates 120 kilometers you covered. Right. Then still you need to cover 280 kilometers. What is the time available is here 20 minutes you stop due to engine problem. Right. So here 20 minutes are gone due to waiting. Here 1 hour 20 minutes for initially traveling. Right. So the time left over because you target 3 hours. Right. So 1 hour 20 minutes is left. 1 hour 40, then 1 hour 20 only available. 1 hour 20 minutes means 1 2 by 3, which is 5 by third of the hour. So I need to complete 280 kilometers in 5 by third of the hour. So speed, distance 280, this is the new speed 280, 5 by third of the hour. So 280 into 3 or 28 into 10 into 3 divided by 5, which is 56 into 3, 168, 168 kilometer per hour. Okay. The train increases its speed by X times compared to the previous speed to reach the destination as per schedule. Find X. But it's definitely not 2 point something, right? So you see it's waited for 20 minutes only, not much. Initial speed is 90, now 168. So you can just divide 168 with 90. That should be your answer. Sorry, 160 divided by 90. Fine. Now 1.667. 1.8 times, not 2.2 times. It's not double. Initial speed 90. It's not double. As procedure is perfect. So the answer should be it's not all this. This all options are wrong. Okay. So its initial speed is 90. Now speed is 168. 168 divided by 90, which is 1.86 times. 86 bar. Okay. It is keep going like 1.8666 keep going. So 1.86 bar. 1.86 approximately. Speed is increased. It's 1.86 times of that. Not 2 point something. It's not double. It's increased but not double. Yeah, well, let's 1 hour 40, 40. This is 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 20, 20, 20. 1 hour. So 3 hours completed. Fine. Now let's see about this boats and streams related question. Equation solving indirectly. Speed of boat in still water is question. Time is distance by speed. 36 kilometer upstream. 45 kilometer downstream. 7 hours. Here 45 kilometers upstream, 60 kilometers downstream, 9 hours. I agree it's two equations, two unknowns. Okay, but we have to take care. I got one idea to solve this equation. 9 is common here, send that 9 to that side. Divide by 9 numerator, this will come to this side. Okay, 4 by SU plus 5 by SD divided by 9. This is 7 by 9. Here I am dividing by 15. Okay, but still cancelling equation I'm thinking about. Fine, this is 3 by SU. If it is divided by 15, this is 4 by SD. We don't 9 by 15, which is 3 by 5. Okay, subtracting 1 by SU, 1 by SD will be obtained. We need SUSD, then only we can calculate SB. How to calculate SB is downstream plus upstream divided by 2. So we know downstream, upstream, two equations, two unknowns, but we need to check what can be done easily. Fine, we'll go with regular method, okay. So multiply first equation with 3, second equation with 4. SU will cancel. This is with 3 means 15, this is with 4 means 16. 1 by SD will come. First equation with 3, 21 by 9. Second equation with 4, 12 by 5. 12 by 5, here 21 by 9. So 45, here 12 into 9, 108. 21 into 5, 105. 3 by 45. So SD is 15. Speed of downstream we got as 15. If it is 15, this is 3. We required 4 means SU is 9. Upstream is 9. Downstream is 15. Adding those to divide by 2 is 12 km per hour. Yeah. So I have one more cross verification thing. See, this is integer value, no? Means 45 should be divided by downstream. D 45 and 60 can be divided by 15. And we got integer here. We need a value which will divide 36 and 45 here. 9 will divide 36 and 45, right? SU should divide 36 and 45. SD should divide 45 and 60. Then integer, adding integer will be. There is a chance. You can do trial and error like that also. Thinking in that direction. Right, so this is equation solving we did, but you can do trial and error method as well. Now see the next question. Around 15 questions in time and distance. Time taken by a man to walk from point A to point B at a speed of 36 km per hour and back 24 km per hour is 2 hours. What is the distance? Yeah, it's average speed. Average speed is total distance divided by total time. Or okay, so distance D 36 km per written distance D with 24 km, the time taken is 2. So LCM is 72, here 2 plus 3, 144 divided by 5, which is 28.8. 28.8 kilometers. Time is distance by speed. A to B, then B to A. Right, split. Previous question, see this. A train running at a speed of 51 km per hour takes 40 seconds to cross a man walking in opposite direction. Okay, so first take this part. Train crossing a man. Man length is negligible. Only distance is train length. So case one, first one. Here is train crossing a man walking. Now here distance is equal to length of the train. Speed, both are moving relative speed, that to opposite direction means speeds must be added. But timing is in seconds, distance is in meters. So it's high time you need to convert speed in meters per second, which is 15 meters per second. Now distance is speed into time. So length of the train, okay, is nothing but 15 into 40, 600 meters. First case, train crossing a man walking. Guys, understand the approach. No question will repeat. Questions will not repeat. Kindly understand that. Right. Next one, train crossing a platform. When train crossing a platform, distance is length of the train plus length of the platform. Platform length is not negligible. Here in this case, distance is length of the train plus length of the platform. What is speed? Platform cannot move. Speed is equal to speed of the train only, which is 51 kilometer per hour, not 54, not 15 meters per second. This is man, 51 kilometer per hour. So again, we need to convert. So which is 85 divided by 6 meters per second. Okay. Distance is speed into time. Timing is 90 here. Distance is speed into time. You can apply. Distance, speed into time. So here speed is distance, length of the train 600 plus length of the platform. Speed is 85 divided by 6. Timing is given as 90 seconds. 15. 15 into 80, 120. Okay, 1200 plus 75. 1275. So length of the platform will be 675. Platform length is 675. Train length is 600. So option B, platform length is 675. Values will change. Questions similar will occur. So check it out. See the next question. Ratio of speeds of A and B is 5 is to 3. A gives him A speed is more. So he is asking B to start 40 meters ahead. Means see, okay, this is the race. Okay, you want 40 meters ahead. Fine. So 40 meters ahead. A is here, B is here, A is here. 5 is to 3 means let's say this guy is 30 meters per second speed and this person is 50 meters per second speed or 50 kilometer per hour. Yes, this is meters only, no? 50 meters per second or minute. I am considering satisfying 5 is to 3. Now time taken to meet from starting point. This is starting point from 0. Time taken to meet is okay. Distance is 40. Same direction, both are moving. Race means same direction. Speed should be subtracted. After 2 seconds, they are going to meet. So after 2 seconds, they are going to meet. So it will take 100 minutes distance. See, from 0, after 2 seconds, they are going to meet means A will travel 100 meters. So after 100 meters, A and B are going to meet. 2 seconds, 50. A speed is 50 meters per second. 50 into 200 meters. After 100 meters, they are going to meet. Time taken for meeting is 2 seconds or 2 minutes. It may be, see here, they didn't given speed is meters per second. No, that's why they ain't asking that. But they're asking how much distance. After, okay, 100 meters from starting point, they are going to meet. Right. Now see this next question. Speed of A is 150% of speed of B. 150% means 1.5 times. 3 by 2. 150 divided by 100, 3 by 2 or 1.5 we can consider. Here who is related to B? When there is a word who, it's related to B. Speed of B, distance 48 kilometers, timing 2 hours 24 minutes, that you need to convert into hours, which is 2 by 5, 12 by 5, 48, 12 by 5, 4 into 5, 20 kilometer per hour is the speed of B. When B speed is 20 kilometer per hour, A speed is 30 kilometer per hour. 3 by 2 times of that. Okay, that's what first line. A and B speeds obtained, not given directly, indirectly given. Now, if A starts a journey of 120 kilometers at 5 p.m., in which he takes rest for 2 times before reaching the destination, each 20 minutes, at what time he is going to reach? A starts the journey. 120 kilometers means, see, 5 p.m. From here, 120 kilometers means 120 divided by 30, 4 hours. Means 9 p.m. But in between, he taken 2 breaks, each for 20 minutes means 9:40. So 9 p.m. plus 40 minutes, 20 plus 20, 2 breaks. 9:40 p.m. is the answer. At what time is nothing but 9:40. 2 times they taken break. Don't see these questions are breaks or they're complicated questions. See, this is easy. That's what you start the question in exam. This is what happening. Many people are not starting the question. When you start the question, you can solve. But many people see the question, keep seeing, and okay, they're losing the time, and okay, after certain time, panic. Problem in exam in TCS. First is numerical ability only. Quant only will start in basic foundation round. There are many people are losing their hope. You solve out of 20 questions, 5 questions or 6 questions, 7 questions, no problem. If you're not able to solve, many people are also not able to solve. If no one solved, okay, they'll reduce the cutoff. Right? If suppose entire India, if no, you cannot do, nobody can also do, right? So, but keep trying. Don't sit ideal. Don't leave the hope. What are the number of questions? Let it be. You give the okay 100%. Okay, okay, you need to put your efforts, right? Now see this boats and stream. Upstream 80 kilometers, so 10 hours means 8 kilometer per hour is the upstream. SB minus SS. Downstream 60 kilometers in 6 hours means 10 kilometer per hour. Now what is speed of boat in still water is adding those two divide by 2, which is 9 kilometer per hour. Now question, okay, to travel 90 kilometers using speed of boat in still water, time taken is nothing but 90 divided by 9, 10 hours. 10 hours. See, basic question, right? Now see this 10th question. By traveling at 1 kilometer per hour less than the usual speed, a man takes 5 hours more to reach the destination. If he increase the speed by 1 kilometer per hour, he reaches the destination 4 hours early. What is the distance covered by him? Distance covered by him, right? So distance they're asking. So see, distance is constant. Okay, speed is certain. Speed you are going, time taken is t. If you are going 1 kilometer per hour less, time taken is t plus 5. You are going 1 kilometer per hour more, time taken is t minus 4. Time taken is t minus 4. Distance is same in all these cases. Distance is same in all cases. Now you need to calculate distance. right? I'll put it in this way for better understanding. Speed is s, time taken is t. Speed is s minus 1, time taken is t plus 5. Speed is less, time will be more. Right. See, how can we calculate timings here? When speeds are in AP, when speeds are in AP, timing must be in HP. AP, see, time and speed are inversely related. AP and HP, arithmetic progression, harmonic progression, also inversely related. No. So what we can do when these two, this is in AP only, I can say minus 1, 0, 1 AP. Okay, then timing must be in HP, right? So when ABC and AP, right? Okay, HP related if you go, then these two should be in HP related. This is in AP. When three terms are in HP, we know B equal to 2AC divided by A plus C. Here B means middle one T. T equal to 2 into A is nothing but T plus 5. C is nothing but T minus 4 divided by A plus C means 2T plus 1. Now cross multiplying 2t square will get cancelled, right? Left and right. Here left hand side t will be there. Right hand side 2t. Yeah, 2t square already we cancelled. Here what is there? 5t minus 4t. T into t 2t will be there. Then minus 20 minus 40 will be there. So t will be equal to 40 hours. See, I got 40 hours is the timing. Timing I am able to find using this simple logic, 40 hours. Now distance should be divided by 40. I think, okay, 360 kilometers is what I am sensing. But okay, 40 hours. Distance is speed into time. No, I'm thinking like, okay, 40 multiplication 360 available. Let's take, if it is 360, speed will be equal to 9. Okay, here it should be 10. Yeah, if it is speed is 10, I'll take 4 hours. If speed is equal to 10, right, 360 divided by 36, it will take 36 hours, which is 4 hours less. If it is 8, I'll take 40 hours, which is 5 hours less. Here, perfectly distance is 360. I got timing. I got timing actually. Okay, then I can calculate speed. So how can you calculate speed, sir? I'm giving the, okay, speed can be taken inversely proportional. Now take 2 of this. S minus 1 divided by S inversely proportional equal to T divided by T plus 5. S minus 1 divided by C equal to inversely proportional T divided by T plus 5. You know T value 40 and this is 45. 40 divided by 45. This will be 40. This is 45. Okay. If you cross multiply and solve, S will be equal to 9. This is 8. This is 9. We'll get calculate. S will be equal to 9. Then distance is speed into time. 40 into 9, 360 kilometers. Here, okay, 1 hour 20 minutes is nothing but 4 by 3. If it is 4 by 3, then entire speed will change. 4 by 3. Here, if it is 4, 4 ones, 4 sevens, we got 210. Speed is 210 more than double. 210 divided by 90. 210 kilometer per hour. Initial speed is 90. Now speed should be 210. 210 divided by 90, 37 times 33 times 2, 1 by 3, 2.33. Option B is correct. 2 C, this is 2.33 is the correct answer. How many times? It's 2.33. Here it should be 4 by 3. 1 hour 20 minutes is 4 by 3. We already taken 4 by 3. Here by mistake 5 by 3 is taken. So correct thing is 2.33. New speed will be 210 kilometer per hour. Then if you calculate, we got 2.33. Focus on this question here. A train starts at 6 a.m. from station X towards station Y at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour, right? So once every 2 hours, the train increases its speeds by 5 kilometer per hour. Right. Now see at what time it will reach the destination. See the question clearly. Every 2 hours, speed is increased by 5. This is what progressions, AP, arithmetic progression related discussion. Arithmetic progression, every 2 hours, speed is increased by 5, right? So 5, then 7, then 9, like that speed will increase, keep increasing, right? Every 2 hours. So initially, okay, what we'll do, first 2 hours speed is 10, 5 kilometer per hour, okay. First 2 hours, 5 kilometer per hour. Next 2 hours, 7 kilometer per hour. Next 2 hours, 9 kilometer per hour, like that. So this is what 5, then 7, then 9. Speed, it's not distance, speed. 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, 11, so on. Right, so what's the distance to be covered? First 2 hours, 5 kilometer per hour means 10 kilometers. Next 2 hours, 7 kilometer per hour means 14 kilometers. Next 2 hours, 9 kilometer per hour means 18 kilometers. See, this 10, 14, 18, like that we keep going. Finally, we need to reach 18. Some of this should be close to 18. It won't be exactly 18 because, okay, 800, sorry, 800. The distance between X and Y is somewhere, X is here. Okay, the distance between X and Y is 800 kilometers. So 10, 14, 18, keep going. Okay, after certain time, okay, we are going to reach, okay, 800 kilometers. Now, very simple. They given 8 p.m. Answers is in 8 p.m. So you started at 6 a.m. You started at 6 a.m. First, calculate up to 6 p.m. 8 p.m. because all options are in 8 p.m. 8 p.m. means 14 hours. 8 p.m. means 14 hours. 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. we have 14 hours. Right. Means 7 terms will be involved. 10, 14, 18 like that 7 terms will be there. Seventh term is, okay, a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 10, n minus 1 means 6, distance is 4. Okay, 34 will be the last term. Guys, 7 terms, 14 hours. See, every 2 hours, one term is the 10 kilometers, 14 like that. 14 hours. This is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is arithmetic progression. A is the first term. Difference is 4, right? So n value is 7 terms. 7 terms will be involved. Now, up to that, what is the distance covered? 10, 14, 18 up to 34. Sum of terms in AP is nothing but number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. Sum of terms in AP is nothing but number of terms divided by 2 into A is first term, L is last term. First term plus last term. So if you do that, 7 into 22, which is 154 kilometers only, but we want 800, no? Okay, it may be some days also taken. Next day, 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. on the given day is 14 hours. Next day means it will be plus 24, 38 hours also. Because yeah, see, when we calculate here, in 12 hours we got it, in 14 hours we got only 154 kilometers distance, sum of the terms. A total distance this is, yes means you may consider as a speed. Total distance covered in that 14 hours is 154 kilometers only, but we want 800. 800. This 8 p.m. may be in the next day also, 6 a.m. today. Okay, initial speed is 40. So initially speed is 40, increased by 5 every time, 40, 45, 50 like that. So every 2 hours this is 80, 90, 100. 80, 90, 100. 7 terms will be involved. This is 80, 90, 80, 90, 100. So here it will be a plus n minus 1 into the 80 plus 60, 140. Number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. 110 into 7, 770 kilometers completed. 770 kilometers is completed. But our target is 800. So by the time 8 p.m., my dear friends, so far what we did, by the time 8 p.m. we are covering 770 kilometers. We started at 6 a.m. Your target is 800. We covered 770 kilometers. Started at 6 a.m. and up to here 8 p.m. Now the speed up to 8 p.m. is 70. 140 means 70 is the speed. Now here, now speed is 80 kilometer per hour. You have to cover 30 kilometers only left over because total distance 800, 770 already completed. Now 30 only pending. We are increasing speed 5 kilometer per hour every 2 hours. Now 8 p.m. at that time 70. Now 5 increase means 75. 75. 75 is the remaining speed. Now time is 30 divided by 75. 5 2 times 5 15, 2 times 15, 5 times 2 by 5th of the hour, which is 24 minutes. So I can say after 8 p.m. 24 minutes requirements at 8:24 p.m. the candidate can reach the Y station. X to Y will be reached. 8:24 is the answer. The first term is 40, next to 45, next to 50, like that speed keep on increasing. We need total distance should be 800. Every 2 hours speed is increased by 5 kilometer per hour. So why you take an 8 p.m. here is all answers are in terms of 8 p.m. plus extra. So up to 8 p.m. 14 hours. So will involve 7 terms. So 80, 90, 100. This is every 2 hours 80 kilometers. So this next 2 hours the distance covered is 90 like that we mapped. Then finally this is what the analysis 770 covered. 30 kilometers is the rest of the part that can be covered with 75 kilometer per hour in 24 minutes. So answer is 824. 824. Initial speed is 40, not 5. I take initially 5, 7 like, but initial speed is 40. I increased by 2. No, it should be increased by 5. 40, 45, 50 like that. Procedure, no issues, but the values taken is wrong. Procedure given correct only. 5, 7 and that procedure. But values should be 40 and 5 kilometers. Next one, Kunal and Leela are 360 meters away from each other. If they start moving towards each other at the same time, they will meet after 30 seconds. MPS means meters per second. Speed meter per second. So they are away from each other towards each other means opposite direction 30 seconds. So speed of Kunal plus speed of Leela is distance 360 divided by 30, 12 meters per second. Okay. If they move in same direction, Kunal will meet Leela in 3 minutes. Okay, 360 meters, 3 minutes. So difference. Kunal will meet means Kunal speed is more. Kunal will meet Leela. So we can consider as per that statement, Kunal speed is more than Leela. Okay, slower one person they are asking. So Leela will be slower. So two equations, two unknowns. One is opposite direction, one is same direction. Now same direction. Same direction, distance is 360, but speed should be subtracted. They taken 3 minutes means 3 into 60, 180 seconds. It required 2 meters per second. Now adding these two divide by 2 is Kunal. Adding these two divide by 2, Kunal's speed is 7 meters per second. Subtracting these two divide by 2, Leela's speed will be 5 meters per second. But first thing, at least one of the person's speed is 5. Other person's speed is 7. Adding those to 12 required. See, this is definitely, at least we can understand eliminating the options. You people may have a doubt. Sir, Kunal speed more or Leela speed more? Fine. Adding together 12, right? Here 20. One person alone 20 not possible. Adding together 12. One person alone 20 not possible. Here one person alone 15 not possible. Okay, that too they're asking lower person. Lower person is 10. Then higher person should be more than 10. Okay, 10 plus more than 10 should not give 22, no? 12, no? So that's what at least we can sense. Adding these two things 12, that is they're asking slower one. Slower one is 10, then higher one will be more than 10. 10 plus more than 10 means more than 20, but here 12 only available. That's wrong option. We can eliminate options like that also. Here answer is Leela 5 meters per second. Now see this 13th question. Boats and streams. Distance traveled by a boat upstream in certain time is equal to 4 times. So timing is constant here. When timing is constant, speed is directly proportional to distance. So speed of downstream is certain time is equal to 4 times the distance covered by the. Okay, so see, downstream speed is 4 times the upstream speed. That's what you can understand from that. And the given speed of river is 9. Okay, what is the time taken to cover in downstream 72 kilometers? Okay, so SDS is this. This is SB. River or boat. Okay, the speed of the river. This is nothing but speed of water flow, SS. SS is given as 9. So SB plus 9 equal to 4 times of SB minus 9. Now 4SB, SB, 3SB. This 4 into 9 will come to this side, 5 into 9. So speed of boat is 15 kilometer per hour. Speed of stream is 9 kilometer per hour. Speed of boat is 15 kilometer per hour. Now downstream, time taken to cover 72 kilometers. Downstream, speed of boat plus speed of stream should be added. So 72 divided by 24 is nothing but 3 hours. 72 divided by 24, nothing but 3 hours. So what is the time taken to cover that 72 kilometers? Okay, in downstream is 3 hours. In upstream, it will be taking 12 hours because SB minus SS will come. Now see that, okay, speed and distance directly proportional. Right, so next one, they given what time they are going to meet. One is moving towards east with a constant speed. At 9 a.m., Binny is leaving at a speed of 35 km per hour. So actually both are moving from same direction from house, traveling same direction from house. Aman starts at 6 a.m. Binny starts at 9 a.m. When two different timings is there, always go with the late time. By the time 9 a.m., Binny is here with a speed of 35 km per hour. Aman definitely travel certain distance. Aman 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. 3 hours, he travels certain distance. Okay, he's traveled with certain speed. Now both of this meet at 1 p.m. They meet at 1 p.m. Now let's say speed of A is x kilometer per hour, 1 hour x kilometers. 3 hours means he covered already 3x kilometers. Aman from house he covered already 3x kilometers. He is 3x kilometers away from Binni from house. Now time taken to meet is distance divided with relative speed. Distance is 3x. Relative speed, definitely Binni's speed should be more than Aman. Then only he go and meet Aman. Now what is this timing? 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Nothing but 4 hours. So this is already 4. 4 into 35, 140 minus 4x equal to 3x. X will be equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Solving, we got x value 20 kilometer per hour. Generally, both speeds will be given at what time they are going to meet is the question. But now one of the speed is not given. Okay, and Binny speed is given. Aman speed we need to calculate. So Aman speed will be 20 kilometer per hour. He traveled 3 hours, so 3x kilometers covered initially with x kilometer per hour. Then this is both are traveling in same direction. Speeds must be subtracted. Binny going to meet Aman means clearly indicates that okay, Binny speed should be more than Aman. Same direction, speed should be subtracted. Time is distance by speed, so that's what we are doing here. Now see this next question, average speed. See many people will try to bahad the formulas. Average speed with 4 speeds, there is no formula in your textbooks. That's why try to understand the concept. When there are two distances, 2xy upon x plus y, three distances, 3abc divided by ab plus bc plus ca, like the certain formulas people are using. Okay. Now here, total distance each quarter. Distance is same, then only that formula is also applicable. 2xy by x plus y or 3abc upon ab plus bc plus ca. But here four parts are there. Okay, first is part with 10 speed, a second one with 20 speed. Like that, say average speed is simple. Total distance traveled divided by total time. Total distance divided by total time. I don't want to entertain formula. Okay, but see what we can do. Distance 10, 20, 30, 40. So which can be dividing all this is 120. Yeah, I'll take 120 kilometers is first quarter, next quarter 120, next quarter 120, next quarter 120. Total distance will be 480. Total distance is 480 kilometers. First one with 10 kilometer per hour, so it will take 12 hours. Second one with 20 kilometer per hour, it will take 6 hours. Third one with 30 kilometer per hour, it will take 4 hours. Fourth one with 40 kilometer per hour, it will take 3 hours. So 480 divided by 10 and 15, 25. 480 divided by 25. So this is 5 times 5, 96 times. So which is, yeah, it's not 20, less than 20 we require 19.2. Less than 20. 100 means we'll get 20, no? So 19.2 kilometer per hour. Average speed is as simple as total distance divided by total time. I assumed this distance each quarter 120, 120, 120. You can take d by 4, d by 4, d by 4, d by 4. Total distance d. Here every term d will involve. You can take it out and cancel. Doing that finally also will give same answer. But okay, I have a habit of taking values instead of some letters d or x. Okay, so that you can solve the question with fast note. Right. Now see this. Time, speed and distance. Around 15 questions.